Hello, everyone. My name is Damone Cook, and I've been a professional advocate for PA since 2013 and in the field of addiction education for over 23 years. PA wants to welcome and thank you for enrolling in our Certain Steps virtual chemical free living online course. We are glad you are all here and aim to help you improve from whatever addiction you may be dealing with from our course lineup, which is 12 step based. We have 12 videos with an online test at the end of the first 9 videos. Participants must watch the videos, take the test after the videos using their textbook and notes from the videos. If you run across material that you do not understand, we encourage you to schedule a one-on-one session with one of our certified advocates. Feel free to take this course at your own pace. Until then, Godspeed.